What is that? Is that another one? Right there. Is that another one?
Look.
Look, that's a good damn hiding spot. Right there.
Dante! Be careful. Uh-oh.
Come on, Dante, there's more over here. Get your basket.
Yeah. No, pick up your basket. Let's go look for more. Pick it up. Put that chalk somewhere. Look, hold it like this. Dante, look. Dante. What little one? He took off?
Why'd you bring it out if you were going to walk it? Oh, it's right here.
Dante, look for your eggs.
Dante, what's that?
Grab Coco. Coco! I think so.
Coco, come here.